Should you have the mirror or not? We're gonna find out today. So when Tesla first announced the Cybertruck, actually they did not have the mirrors and everybody was really excited about it. Part of it though is in a lot of states and legislations, you do have to have some sort of mirror. So they ended up actually coming out with this mirror, which is actually pretty big. However, it's very, very easy to remove. So we did a lot of videos, especially in December, of how to remove it. And basically we already removed it, but here's the problem. Once you remove it, this is what it looks like. So it looks like this. There is a hole that goes through and there's nothing to cover it. So this took us a lot longer than we wanted to, but we finally figured it out. And we're gonna just show you, and we're gonna have another instructional, so this isn't gonna be a step-by-step. However, check this out. This is going to be a limited edition run. This is a prototype still. It's about done now, but this is actually the same steel that this door is made out of. We were able to secure a scrap metal from the actual door, and we were able to laser cut it into this. And we were using an adhesive, very, very strong bond. And then we designed this bracket that's pretty much based off the mirror, right? And then we use high quality nuts right here so that it could thread. And the best part is I always try to have less parts, the better, mainly because I think it's better in design, right? Less parts, the better. I think Tesla mentions that as well. So this is kind of, I'm not gonna install it, but I'll show you how it'll fit right here. So I'm gonna just go ahead and bring down and basically all this clips right here. That's why we have this hole. It just sits in right here. And I'm a little careful. And once you push it, it's really tight. And we want it to be fairly decently tight because I think the tighter it is, the better in this case. And once it goes in, it'll look very, very seamless. So basically you just start with one end. And then once you get it in one end, like, look at this, it'll be something like that. And then you can go ahead and bolt it. You're gonna use the existing bolt like this. And then you're gonna go ahead and put it through right there. And then once you tighten it, this will be super strong. The adhesive we also use, we had to test a lot of adhesive because we're trying to test for Arizona, Nevada, places that get really, really hot. So this should be able to, you know, handle all those extreme weather conditions, including cold and hot. So this is gonna be a limited edition run. And then after that, we're gonna find a different material. It's gonna be aluminum, most likely. But this is going to be, I don't think I can get more of these door panels. So this is going to be a very, very small run. And this is going to be available very soon. So we're really excited. I think some people would like to have no mirrors. But the thing is, if you need to put it back, it's really easy to put it back. This is an accessory that is not, it doesn't change anything. One last thing I forgot to, I'm really excited about is like the way we have this little lip right here. There's a reason for that, because this seal, once you line it up like this, it actually goes underneath and it goes like this. Look at that. So you see this lip right here? It just goes right to it. So it's a little bit cleaner. And then again, there's a hole right here because this thing will be right down the middle once it removes. So hopefully you guys like this mirror delete kit. This has been a really fun project. It took us way longer than we anticipated. And the best part is the final product probably won't be this color, maybe not. And by the way, this is made out of ABS Pro, so it's even stronger than ABS. Also handles a lot of heat and cold and all the weathering. And then we have a little branding. We're not big into branding, so we have a little name there since we designed this. But super excited to be launching this accessory. So stay tuned, guys. I'm about to install this mirror delete. And we'll see you later. But if you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. And make sure you click on that subscribe button. See you later.